So today we're going to talk about getting your condensing unit ready for season. We'll start you off with the Wasp Killer by hvac. In case you run into my little friends, this shoots out a long distance. You might want to have this handy just in case. We have it at macomsupply.com. So the next thing, you would take your condensing unit apart and you would want to straighten out the coil. There's a couple different fin combs that we sell on our website. Straighten it out. Then you want to clean it. We have an aerosol can by Nu-Calgon. This requires no rinse, but you can rinse it if you decide to use aerosol can. Next thing we have would be Tri-Clean, and this requires a hose. And with this particular product, you adjust the amount of chemical that you want to squirt into the coil. And then you can shut off the chemical and you can rinse. After 10 minutes, you can rinse it. Just turn off the chemical by switching this. The next thing would be super concentrated gallon. This is also by Calgon or Nu-Calgon. This chemical, if it's really dirty, you do 1 part chemical to 4 part water. If it's not so dirty, you can do 1 part to 8 water. And this brush that we also saw on our website will help you clean the coils after you let the chemical sit for 5 to 10 minutes. That'll get your condensing unit ready to go. And anytime you're doing any spraying, as far as water, you want to do it from the inside out once you applied your chemical. You can buy all this product at macomsupply.com. This is the latest catalog for Nu-Calgon. You can go to the website under www.Nu-Calgon.com. You can page through their catalog and it will show you all the different chemicals that are available depending on what you're doing. So that's how you can get your condensing unit ready for the season. Next week, we're going to talk about getting the evaporator. That would be the part inside the house ready for season as far as cooling. Have a great day.